Hi, welcome back to my channel. I've got an unboxing video for you and it's a good one and I really hope that you can still get it. I'm talking about November's Asos box and it's a special, it's a Bobbi brown one. So this is what it looks like. And that's what the usual box looks like there. Got a nice sleeve. So if you're new to Asos beauty boxes, I'll give you a quick lowdown, but if you've seen it all before and you'd rather just skip forward to seeing the actual contents of this box, I will add a timestamp down below, so you're free to just click forward. So the Asos beauty box, they've been doing them for quite a while now and it's usually right at the start of the month. Sometimes I get notifications to say that a box has landed, but other times I don't. So I tend to just look on their website every single day from the start of the month to see if a new box is available. Now the last couple of months haven't been as exciting as previous boxes, but they've come back with an amazing one and it's Bobbi brown. Every item in this box is a Bobbi brown item. Now normally these boxes cost £12 a month, but this one is £15. A couple of months ago we had a Clinique edition and that cost £15 as well. Now shipping is £3. Oh my gosh, my eyes are watering. One side of my face is watering. This nose and this eye, apologies, I don't know why, it just happens now and again. But anyway, postage and packaging is £3, but if you spend, I believe, over £25 or £30, postage and packaging is free. But if you shop regularly on Asos or you're thinking about getting these boxes regularly, you have the option to pay £10 or £9.99 for the whole year, so you can have free shipping and next day delivery, which I think is brilliant. So I've taken that out and that's why I've got this box early. Normally I wait a couple of days to upload, but because it is a limited edition, because Asos don't do a load of these boxes, unfortunately. They tend to sell out super fast within a day or two. Sometimes they have been known to add extra boxes a couple of days later, but as soon as I find out, I add a link up onto my Facebook page, which is Diary of the 40 somethings. I post up straight away so to tell you, especially if it's a good one. It's like, my gosh, I have to post it right now to let you know. So I'm rambling. As you can tell, I'm quite excited. It's not a subscription box. You just go online. If it's there and you want it, you buy it. If not, you just leave it. I have got a playlist, which if you're interested to see previous boxes, I will add that down in the description, and I'll pop the link to this box in the description as well. So click on the show more, that'll bring up description and everything will be down there. So let's open it up and see. So this is what it looks like inside. So you get a little card then, it gives you all the details about the products, which I'll read in a little while. And then those are all the items. Woo, they're all falling to the bottom. Whoops. So as you can see, there are sample sizes, but there's 6 products in here, and there's little leaflets here telling you all about certain products and how to apply and the ingredients, which is good. So I'll put that down there. So back to this card, it says Bobbi Brown Cosmetics. It's all about enhancing your beauty, not covering anything up, and we feel that. Pare back your makeup for the colder months and add these Bobbi Brown essentials to your glam squad. Late winter nights need not be an issue with the Extra Repair Moisture Cream, just a generous amount before bed. Then start your morning with a vitamin-enriched face base and apply the extra illuminating moisture balm for a subtle glow. Add a touch of sparkle with long wear cream shadow in beach bronze before adding smoky eye mascara for some serious drama. And then it says the finishing touch, crushed lip colour in Babe for a soft hue that lasts all day. Party season, we're ready for you. Excited. Right then. So the first item is the vitamin enriched face base, and this is 7ml. That's what the outer packaging looks like. So that's what that looks like there. No, there's no information that comes with this, but it's a base, isn't it? So I'm assuming it's like a primer. So let's try a little bit. Ooh, nice and creamy there. Ooh, that feels so nice. It's really nice and squidgy. Oh, it's nice, really nice. Oh, that looks almost dewy on my skin. You might not be able to see on the camera there, but oh, it feels really cooling. Yeah, it's almost like a dewy sort of, has it got a shimmer? I'm not too sure. Oh, no, I don't think it has. It's just really nice. So that's the first item. Second item, and this is the Repair Moisture Cream. It's the same packaging there. I'm assuming it's the same as well, 7ml. Yeah, so this is a nice cream that they say to put a generous layer on before you go to bed. Oh, I love that. That's nice. Let's try a little bit here. Yeah, it's nice. It smells and feels, applies on my skin very similar to that face base that I just put on. No, I don't know. But no, it feels nice anyway. I do like it. So the next item is, what is it? It's a long wear cream shadow, and this is a 3.5 gram shadow. So this might be full size, I'm not too sure. Water resistant, and that's all I can read. And this is Beach Bronze in shade 16. I'd imagine that is full size. You can see the little tub there, or little glass bottle. That colour is gorgeous. See, that is so pretty. Right, let's try it on my hand. Wow, 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 wow. That is gorgeous. It's multi-tonal, all browns and coppers, but it's got a gorgeous shimmer to it. Oh, wow. Oh, I like it. See there? Ooh. That's so nice. Really, really nice. So this is, what did it say about this? Long lasting and waterproof, I believe. It just says long wear. But no, really, really chuffed with that. Gorgeous colour. Sorry, I should have done this in the order, shouldn't I? So it says start off with the Extra Repair Moisture Cream. Then you apply the Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Then you apply this Illuminating Moisture Balm for a subtle glow. So I'll just show you quickly. So this is a teeny tiny sample. Yeah, that's, oh, it's almost, I'm not too sure. It looks like it's got maybe gold flecks in it. Again, you probably won't see that on camera, but it's really pretty, really subtle again, not in your face, but yeah, I can imagine it being like a subtle glow, as it says. So no, really, really lovely. So that's that. Then it tells you about the eyeshadow, which I've just shown you. And then back on track now, the mascara. So this is a smoky eye mascara. Hold on, where should I show you there? So that's what it is there. Let's show you the wand. Ooh, quite a nice wand. Oh, I like that. You can see. So no, smoky eye mascara. Does it say anything in here? Nope, just says that it's full of drama. And then lastly, the lipstick. And this is Crushed Lip Colour in Babe. And it's long lasting. So that's the outer packaging. What colour is Babe? What colour are you? Ooh, oh, it's so dinky. It's so cute. I love the packaging. Look at that. Ooh. Looks like it's a, oh, nice. Ooh, it's a pinky movie. Useless at describing colours, useless at describing scents. Oh, I really, really shouldn't do things like this, really, should I? But there you go. So that's what that looks like there. I'll just show you quickly here. Oh, that's gorgeous. A colour I would wear. Ooh, yeah, definitely. There, really, really nice. So no, there's all the products. Creams and stuff, everything besides the mascara. So no, I love it. I love it. I know it's generally all samples. I'm assuming the eyeshadow pot is a full size, but everything else it is small samples, but it's all Bobbi brown, and I like that it's all themed around one brand, and it's a chance for us to try. Yes, okay, a bit pricey for maybe all samples, but I am curious to find out how much that eyeshadow pot is. I will find out, and I'll link it all down below. I'll tot up all the products and break down how much the samples are worth, even if you can't buy them individually, and just to give you an overall price of this box. Let me know if you've managed to purchase this box, or let me know if it's a box that you fancy getting yourself. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.